Assalamualaikum. I hope all my sister and brother hope you are well. So I will come back with a new video. So I will come to another video. The main topic is review or review. So uh, I I I will go to my main topic. Before I like to about my channel. My channel name is Crypto and Travel News. It's made for online income or about cryptocurrency and other subject is travel related. So I hope you are joining my channel and press the bell icon. If you subscribe button, then you will get any notification, and beside the bell icon all button, then you will receive fastly notification. So I also in future I also made travel news in my channel. It's little it will be little time. So now I go to my main topic. So many people have mining core mining. So why some are facing problem for my hash power. Here is my hash power. So and about your mining app, here is your hash power. So how to increase your my hash power? So I also teach you how to my hash power increase by this app and with other browser. So it's very neat for your increase your my hash power. So many way, four way you can increase your hash power, and you can 10 receive 3k hash power by. And also when you first joining, then you can dash 150k hash power with your referral link by joining any person. Then you can 150k hash power. And other option some a hash card. Here is your hash card. Many time every day daily, and after few days after you will receive day by day. Many you can receive in a rock card and also N card and BTC card every day. So you can exchange this card with my group. So another option, gift card. It's you know new member when join this your link, then you can send to send to this code. Then if he or she join this code, then his or her hash power increase 3k hash, and you also give 1k hash. So that's the way you can increase your hash power. So I also this video made a how to use this hash power with 3k hash. Many my pipeline user cannot use properly, so they cannot increase their my hash power. So I also teach you how to use this. So stay with me. So you need to Kiwi browser or other browser. So I also go to my app. Here is my Kiwi browser. And I also when you press the Kiwi browser, please click on Kiwi browser. When you click the Kiwi browser, then open this MetaMask. Please select MetaMask. So here is your MetaMask. So then please type your password. If you previously open this MetaMask, okay. And then I also type my password. Then click please. Press the button unlock. Okay. So it will go to your dashboard. Loading. Loading. It's loading now. Okay. I also come on my home. Here is two methods, actually ether mainnet and also core chain testnet. So I also click this core chain test. Okay. So what I can please go to okay. How you can how you get a core coin test code. So you need to please, okay, you need to go to faucet code testnet scan. Then you can your ID which you are copy. Here is a press the button and get code and also get USDT. Two way is get code. Okay, you get a 1 2. Okay, so I need I get withdraw from few hours, so I cannot now. So you can get this code or T code now. I have a T code now, so no need. So I please send this button. Okay, asset option, send this button. Okay, transfer your account or other account will be helpful. Okay, I also I need your amount choices. Okay, so next button press, and also press the confirm button. Okay, then it will be done. It will be sending pending now. Speed out is not needed. Okay, is done. Okay, fine. Go to your app. When the transaction complete, then your button is you press this button, then it will be done and done. Please like my video and also subscribe my channel, and any comment please discuss